Hi, this is Austin with my second progress report. We have a lot to talk about, so I'm just going to launch right into it. Alright, so let me go ahead and fix the screen. You can see all my critters spawning, doing the proper things. Let me go ahead and I'll wait for the flea to come back to show you the shooting mechanic. Alright, there we go. I had to edit because I missed the first time, but you can also see that death works, so that's all. I think that should be everything in-game, so I'm going to go ahead and launch into the code. Alright, so got factory set up for pretty much everything, except for the player, because I felt like since I only have one, that one doesn't matter yet. So, Mushroom Factory. This is the most unique one because it actually has a pointer to the mushroom controller, so that every time it creates a factory, it will send, or not creates a factory, every time it creates a mushroom, it will send the mushroom to the controller and have the controller update the graph. So that's that. Here's the internals of it. Alright, so yeah, mushroom array, initialize the pointer. My functions are spawn a shroom, register a shroom, deregister a shroom. They're all pretty simple. They just take the point and the mushroom, plug it in, take the point, and set it back to null pointer for deregister. And then the spawning actually is where I do my check. I say, is this empty? If so, alright, make a mushroom. And then it'll be sent back here. Converter, this is a singleton I added that gives all functionality for converting from grid points to pixel points and vice versa. Alright, Spider Factory. I have factories for all of the enemies. They're all pretty much the same, so I won't go into too much detail. They're actually about the same as the one we made in class, so I won't even say much about that. Same with the controller. It's really just an alarm that it sets when it creates, and then it creates a spider when that alarm goes off. All the enemies will set that timer again once they die. So I actually got the spider randomization working by having checks to see how close it gets to the side of the screen it's moving towards, vertically that is, and the closer it gets, the more likely it is to switch directions. So I have that as two separate checks right now, which is annoying, but I couldn't think of a better way to do it. Scorpion, very simple, I'm not even sure it's worth talking about. And last but not least, the flea. This one I just have on a regular timer right now, and like I showed you, it does have the decrement health feature, and every enemy, since I forgot to mention it, does actually spawn an explosion when it dies. That's thanks to my enemy class here. It's a super class to all the critters. That's all I have for now. Thanks for checking in.